Hello everyone. Today we are going to construct a circuit and verify superposition theorem for this circuit. So the superposition theorem states that in any linear network containing two or more sources, the response in any element is equal to the algebraic sum of the responses caused by individual sources acting while the other sources are inoperative. The word inoperative means a voltage source is replaced by a short circuit while the current source is replaced by open circuit. So now we are going to verify this theorem in the multisim software. So first we are going to construct a circuit. So for which we need the voltage source. So by clicking on this place source, so power source, in that again a DC source. So the value of the DC source is 10 volts and the other source is 8 volts. So we need to place another voltage source. So by double clicking on this, we can able to change the value of the voltage source 10 and the value of this voltage source is 8 volts, and we need the resistances of 2.2k, 3.3k and 4.7 kilo ohms. So by going to place basic in that resistor 2.2k and 4.7k and 3.3 kilo ohm resistance. 3.3 kilo ohm resistance. So by right clicking and rotate it to 90 degrees. So by using this theorem, we can find the current flowing through this 3.3 kilo ohm resistance. So in order to find the current flowing through this 3.3 kilo ohm resistance, we need to place an ammeter, going to place indicator. So in that an ammeter, click on OK. So double clicking on this, right clicking on this, we can rotate this one. So we need a ground. So connecting these elements. So this is the given circuit, and next we have to construct a circuit with a single source acting alone. So first we are going to construct a circuit when only this 10 volts voltage source is acting alone, and later we are going to construct the circuit when only this 8 volts voltage source is acting alone. So first a 10 volt voltage source acting alone. So a 10 volt voltage source in series with 2.2k. So you can copy this resistance and control V, that is paste, control C, control V, again control C, that is copying and pasting the resistance. And now we will replace this 8 volt voltage source with short circuit, and we can also we have to place this ammeter, copy and pasting. And we need a ground. So connecting. So similarly, we have to construct another circuit when only this 8-volt source is acting alone and replacing this 10 volts voltage source with short circuit. So again a voltage source for which you can copy and paste. Control C, Control V, and again copying paste this resistance. So connecting this. So we need an ammeter. So rotating by pressing Ctrl R. So this is the given circuit, and these are the circuits when only one source is acting alone and the other source is replaced by its equivalent internal resistance. So we have to change the value of this voltage source to 10 volts. Okay. So now we have to run the simulation by clicking on this run or stop simulation button. So if you observe here in this circuit, the current flowing through this 3.3 kilo ohm resistance is 1.950 milliamperes. So observing these two circuits, so the total current flowing through this 3.3 kilo ohm resistance will be equal to the algebraic sum of the currents, which are nothing but the 1.419 milliamps and 0.531, which gives 1.950. Hence, the superposition theorem is verified, and we can stop the simulation by clicking on this.